Hey guys, so we're just here at Saii Laguna, here in Tao Beach, Phuket, Thailand. So yeah man, we're just gonna walk around. This is honestly one of the coolest beaches here in Phuket. I'm pretty sure the whole Bang Tao area is just kind of underrated. Everyone goes to stay in Patong or wherever, but I'm sure Bang Tao is just one of the nicest areas on the island. So yeah man, we're just gonna walk around. So yeah, I'm just staying here at Saii Laguna, just a really cool luxury resort here in Bang Tao. So yeah, this is like honestly a really cool area just for like resorts, restaurants, night markets. It just pretty much has everything. It is absolutely melting here. It's kind of like mid to late April, so temperatures are absolutely crazy right now. I'm just kind of getting cooked, but it's all good. Oh man, so yeah, this is Bang Tao Beach, here in kind of the north of the island. But the beach is really nice, just like soft white sand, crystal clear blue water. Oh man, yeah, it's just kind of like a really peaceful part of the island. Like away from all the craziness of Patong. Some of the other areas are just kind of like party beaches. Whereas here it's just much more laid back. Kind of like a lot of family friendly hotels, resorts, just some cool beach bars, fire shows on the beach, and some really good Thai and Western food. So yeah man, we're just gonna walk down a little further. Oh man, yeah, this beach is honestly incredibly long. It just goes on forever. So I think at the far north end of Bang Tao Beach there's some kind of uninhabited island. It's just like kind of a jungle island, but you can walk over to at low tide. But yeah, I'm not going to walk all the way down there because it's just really far. But honestly, this is a really cool beach. Definitely underrated. Some cool beach bars. I think things are a little bit more expensive here in Bang Tao compared to other areas in Phuket. I was checking out some of the beach clubs and the food is pretty expensive. Like main dish is like 350 baht or something, which is a little expensive. Yeah, so we're just here on Bang Tao Beach here in Phuket, Thailand. So it's honestly a really cool beach. Kind of in the north of the island. It's a little bit more expensive compared to other areas in Phuket, but it is pretty cool. There isn't a lot going on. It's kind of just like chilled, laid back vibes. There isn't a lot of tourists around, but I think it is the low season right now here in Thailand, so everything is kind of like tame compared to the high season. But yeah man, it's honestly just a really cool beach. So there's a lot of cool like chill beach bars, hotels, resorts, restaurants, and yeah man, we're just gonna walk around a little. Here's the club room at the Saii Laguna. So yeah, pretty big double bed. Not sure if it's a king bed. Kind of like a cool lounge area. Some crazy views over the lagoon. Also a little balcony. Just pretty much use it for drying clothes. But yeah, it's just a pretty big, comfortable room. So yeah, good comfortable bed, good aircon. Here's the bathroom. So yeah, it's kind of early evening here on Bang Tao. So I think it does make a huge difference where you stay in Phuket. Like there's just like all of the different areas, and some areas are better than others. Like Patong is just kind of like a party beach. Just loads of like nightclubs, bars, like party hostels, Thai massage, just like so much craziness. Whereas Bang Tao is like pretty much kind of a more affluent area. There's just like a lot more kind of upmarket bars and restaurants, 5-star hotels, just a lot less craziness than Patong, but also it's a pretty cool area. Kind of glad I stayed here in Bang Tao. It's just a lot more chill, but at the same time you can go to, I think it's Kamala Beach. It isn't too far from here. So yeah, this is the Saii Laguna Resort here in Bang Tao, kind of Laguna, here in Phuket, Thailand. So just honestly a really cool kind of like chill beach resorts. But yeah, man, there's just like so much stuff around here. There's like so many beach clubs, Maya Beach Club, Nomad Beach Club, like high-end steakhouses. There's Ember Steakhouse, El Gocho Steakhouse, and yeah, like not too far from Boat Avenue, Bang Tao Night Market, Porto de Phuket. There's just a lot of cool stuff around here. So yeah, man, highly recommend staying in the kind of Bang Tao Laguna area. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'm just kind of rambling right now, but I think I covered most things. It's always hard to figure out what to talk about in these videos, but this is kind of just pretty much a walk around the hotel, a little bit on Bang Tao Beach, and yeah, man, pretty much. But yeah, man, feel free to subscribe for more Thailand walking videos. But yeah, cheers.
Ha 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 ha.